So we can start with shlok number 10, Mataji.
8:17:10.
Canto 8, chapter 17, text number 10.
आयुपरं वपुरभीष्टमतुल्यलक्ष्मी
आयुपरं वपुरभीष्टमतुल्यलक्ष्मी
यो भूरसः सकलयोगगुणस्त्रिवर्गः
यो भूरसार सकलयोगगुणास्त्रिवर्ग
ज्ञानं च केवलमनन्तभवन्ति तुष्टात्
ज्ञानं च केवलनन्तं भवति तुष्टान्
त्वतो नृणां किं यु सपत्न जयधिरासिः
त्वतो निराम किम सपत्युजय श्रीराशि. Each and every word, Mataji.
Ayu, duration of life, param as long as that of Lord Brahma, vapu a particular type of body, abhishtam the goal of life, atulya lakshmi unparalleled opulence in material existence, dio the upper planetary system, bhuloka, rasaha the lower planetary system, sakala all kinds of, yoga gunaha the 8 mystic perfections, trivargaha the principles of religiosity, economic development and sense gratification, jnanam transcendental knowledge, cha and kevalam complete, ananta o unlimited one, bhavanti all become possible, tushta by your satisfaction, twataha from you, nrinam of all living entities, kim you what to speak of, sapatna enemies, jaya conquering, adihi and others, asihi such benedictions. O limited one, if your lordship is satisfied, one can very easily obtain a lifetime as long as that of Lord Brahma, a body either in the upper, lower or middle planetary systems, unlimited material opulence, religion, economic development and satisfaction of the senses, full transcendental knowledge and the 8 yogic perfections, what to speak of such petty achievements as conquering one's rivals.
Mata Aditi was in a complete distress because of the enemies, specifically the Ali Maharaj and the Asuras. They had become Ajay because of the blessings of the Brahmanas and the service that he had done to the Brahmanas. Mata Aditi over here is telling Lord, everything is possible for you. Who gave Brahmaji such a position? You gave. He is the first person. He is the creator. Who gave that position? You gave. I am not asking for the Brahma's position. What is she is trying to speak to? The Lord in that way. That I am not asking. Then the second thing he says, what to speak about the goal, Atulya Lakshmi, opulences. You have created entire, Swargaloka. What you speak about the opulences. If you desire, you can give opulence to anybody, unlimited opulences. We know that in Swargaloka, the sands are made of pearls and jewels. The mountains of gold and silver. The rivers there are, sweet waters, pure sweet waters. It is honey flowing. There is Shir Sagar, what we call as ocean of milk. There is Ghee Sagar. Lord has created all these things. So, if you want, Lord can create another thing also, if He wants. He has created millions and millions of Brahmandas. How many? Millions of Brahmandas. And within speck of second, He can create anything. What to speak of winning over the rival? That is the plea that Mother Aditi is saying. Another thing she is saying, that Bhuloka, Bhavaloka, all the 8 mystic powers. If anybody wants 8 mystic powers, you can easily give them. But I am not asking for that. I am only asking for that this petty rivals can be vanquished of. Nothing more than that I am asking from you, dear Lord. Then she is saying what to speak about, the Jnana Kevalam Anantam. If you are satisfied, everything is possible. Everything is possible. Then what to speak about these petty rivals? That is the way she is presenting. Actually, a pure devotee never desires anything. Pure devotee never desires. But here we see Aditi is asking for their children's. Seeing the pathetic, because there are certain stages in our life where, as a father, mother, we always, pray for the well-being of our children. That our children will be always good. That's the case is other where आपका परवरिश अगर अच्छा नहीं होगा तो वही चिल्ड्रन आपके कौन बन जाएंगे? रियली दुश्मन बन जाएगा अगर आपका पहले से परवरिश अच्छा नहीं होगा तो. सही बात? Do you agree with that thing? If we have not taken care, if that love and caring is not given at the right time, then the same people will become your greatest enemies. So here Aditi, even though she as a real mother, she is praying for the well-being of the children. So here we have to understand one thing, that pure devotees never ask. But in certain cases, when there is no scope, then out of, Lord says in the Bhagavad Gita, 4 types of devotees. There are 4 types of Artho, Jigyasu, Artharthi and Jnani. Artho, Jigyasu, Artharthi. Tesham Jnani Nitya Yukta Ek Bhakti Vishishyate. What they say? Ek Bhakti Vishishyate. Priyo hi Jnanino Atyartham Sacha Mama Priya. Lord says out of these 4, the Jnani who sees me everywhere and who is engaged in pure devotional service. And what is the lakshan of a pure devotional service? Adveshta. He doesn't have enviousness for anyone. First lakshan of a pure devotee. He never have enviousness. Even he thinks wishes good for his enemies, like Prahlad Maharaj. So that is the quality of a pure devotee. So here, out of the feelings for the children, Aditi Mata is praying that Brahma ji को आपने स्थान दिया, अष्ट सिद्धि आपके संकल्प से आ जाती है. What to speak about the opulences? Everything is possible. Then what to speak about this petty winning over the rival? But Lord will say very beautiful thing in the answer, because here the stuti finishes. Her request is placed in front of the Lord, and then the Lord will start speaking in the further, and Lord will simply say that at this condition, by fighting and winning over Bali Maharaj is impossible. Why? Because उस पर आशीर्वाद है. किसका? Of the Brahmanas. तो वैष्णव की सेवा अगर आप कोई करते हैं costlessly, and if they bless them, then that blessing, even Lord cannot reject it. So Lord says, I also cannot win in fighting with them because of the blessings. See, Lord always takes a second position to the words of the devotee, and that's why Lord says in the Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna को ये बोला, न मे भक्त प्रणश्यति. हे अर्जुन, घोषणा कर दो कि मेरे भक्तों का नाश नहीं होता. He could have said himself also, कि मैं आज से घोषणा करता हूं कि मेरे भक्तों का नाश नहीं होगा. Then why did he told Arjuna? Because Arjuna is a devotee, and if a devotee says something, Lord changes, अपने word को change कर सकता है Lord, but devotees, pure devotees के word को नहीं change करता. That is the power of the words of a pure devotee. And that's why you will see in further that in spite of this, Lord doesn't agree for battle and winning on. But he says that you have done the vrata. What? So it will not go waste. So any yajna, any tapasya, any dhan done causelessly for the Lord never goes waste. Neha abhikrama nasho asti pratyavayo navidya. It will not go waste. Any dhan you have given, any seva you have done, huh? Anything, it is permanent your asset. Permanent asset in your kitty. And that is, Lord is teaching that you have done, then I will use another way. I will go and beg. Bhiksha mamuga. What I will do? I will become Brahmana and I will go and beg. And I will return whatever is there to your children. But secretly, please don't discuss this discussion with anybody. This discussion should be with you and me only. And then Lord appears in the very beautiful form of Vamandev. And that is how the discussion starts. So let's start with the 11th, text 11. Who will see?
Shri Shukavacha
Shri Shukavacha
Adityevam Suto Rajan
Adityevam Suto Rajan
Bhagavan Pushkarekshana
Bhagavan Pushkarekshana
Kshetrajna
Kshetrajya Sarvabhutanam
Iti Hovacha Bharata
Iti Hovacha Bharata.
Shri Shukavacha
Shri Shuk.
Shri Shukadev Goswami said, Aditya by Aditi, Evam, thus, Stutaha being worshipped, Rajan, O King, Maharaj Parikshit, Bhagavan, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Pushkar Ikshanaha, whose eyes are like lotus flowers, Kshetrajna, the Supersoul, Sarvabhutana, of all living entities, Iti, thus, Ha, indeed, Uvacha replied, Bharata, O best of Bharata dynasty. Translation, Shukdev Goswami said, O King Parikshit, best of the Bharata dynasty, when the lotus-eyed Lord, the super soul of all living entities, was thus worshipped by Aditi, he replied as follows.
Text 12, somebody can read from text 12.
भगवान् उवाच
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha
देवामतर्भयात्यामि
Deva Matar Bhavatyami
याचिरं काक्षितं
Vigyatam Chira Kamshitam
यत्सप्तेन रतस्नाम्
Yat Satyena Rahitrasvinam
चवित्यानां स्वधाम
Javityanam Swadhama.
श्री भगवान उवाच The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, Devamatah, O mother of the demigod,
Deva Matar means she is the mother of all the demigods. Yeah.
Bhavataya, O you, me by me, Vijanta, understood, Chira Kanikshitam,
No, Kangshitam.
Kangshitam.
Kangshitam means from long time. Chira means long time. She had this desire that how she can win, the children can win over, because Bali Maharaj had conquered everything and they were in the exile. You know, देवता लोग का भी ऐसा खराब पोजीशन हो जाता है कभी कभी, you know, like it is said when Hiranyakashipu came, you know, after that उनको खाना पीना भी नहीं मिलता था. उपवास रहना पड़ता था उनको, ऐसे कहा जाता है। उनको खाली हरे कृष्ण बन के बैठ जाते थे छुप छुप के। यस, उनको खाना पीना भी नहीं मिलता था उस टाइम। आफ्टर दैट, you know, the devatas used to then went to the Lord, and Lord told, the day when my devotees will be harassed, what? Harassed. That day he will die. That day he will die. So they thought that okay, that day. So there is an end to this. Now we have to only wait. Hope. So we have seen so many times, even if you go to Swargaloka, there are disturbance. What? ऐसा नहीं आप अमेरिका जाओगे तो वहाँ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. If you go to that place, there are problems of that variety. Trump is the biggest, example. What I am trying to say, people think that going to change a place, हमारे उधर कर्म फल नहीं लगेंगे. क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? इधर से इधर हम लोग दुखी है, उधर जाके हम लोग क्या हो जाएंगे? उधर हमारे प्रॉब्लम सब. But they fail to understand one thing. Their karma reactions are there. Karmas cannot be neutralized by changing the places. It is only by bhakti that you can neutralize your karma. By changing the place, partner, things, it is not going to work out that way. The problems that are there, they will come in different ways. We cannot escape, but we have to make a way out of it through bhakti, the bhakti process. Otherwise, here we see that devatas, when Prahlad Maharaj was doing the stuti, he was telling Lord, I have seen everything. What he says? I have seen everything. I have seen this devatas, how they were getting scared by my father. They had every power. But at one point, when they come in front of my father, all power vanishes. And this person, my father, who was super controller of everybody, he got vanished within minutes in front of you when you appeared. So nothing is permanent over here. So I only pray one thing, Lord. Only give me association of devotees. What? Bas. That is my humble desire, where I can serve them and through their mouth I can listen Harikatha. That is my only desire. The same prayers were done by Dhruv Maharaj also. When, he got the realization by putting that Shankha, and he told, I do not want anything, Lord, now. I only want that association of devotees and Harikatha. Vritrasur, na nakaprishtam, na cha parameshtam, na sarvabhaumam, na rasadhipatyam. I do not want all these things. What I want is
Association.
Tvam dasa dasanudas. I want to become your das dasanudas. Not your das, but your das and das. That is what Vritrasur is saying. So you see in the Bhagavatam, you see the Kunti Stuti. What she says? She says in the last thing that Shravanam, Kirtanam, these are the things which will help me out. Shrunvanti, Gayanti, Grinanti, Abhikshanas. Yes. So these are the words which are used by all the acharyas, all the people. That the highest benefit of any jivatma is coming in association with devotees, serving them and listening Harikatha. There is nothing greater than what we are doing now in the three world. Because Shunvatam Swakatha Krishna Punya Shravana Kirtana Hridayantasto hi abhadrani Vidhanoti hi Shuhatsata. This is what happens when we sit in association with devotees, when we do Harikatha, when we discuss Harikatha. All the abhadras which are there in the heart get vanquished. which cannot happen by any other process. Which cannot by any other process. And that's why again and again, all acharyas, all great people only pray for, becoming das, dasanu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself says, Gopi, Bhartalu, das, dasano, das. That is my position. I am not sannyasi. I am not, brahmachari. I am not grahastha. I am not vanprastha. I am not shudra. But my position is what? I am servant of a servant of a servant of a servant of the gopis. So when you become the servant of the Lord, and your interest is only in serving and listening to Harikatha, there is nothing greater than that according to Bhagavatam. That we learn over here. Okay, please. Yes, 100%. A karma can burn away all your good karmas and bad karmas. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakhyam, Atmanivedam. This Navadha Bhakti has the power to neutralize everything. Nirdhati karma. Brahmaji says, Nirdhati kintu bhakti vaja. Karmani nirdhati kintu cha bhakti vaja. That only by bhakti the karma can be burned. There is no other way by which we can burn any other karmas. So please read further.
Chirakanksati, what you have desired for a long time, yet because Saptami hai, by the rivals, Ritta Sirinam of your sons who are bereft of all opulences, Chaivetyanam vanquished, Swadhamataha from their own residential quarters. Translation.
ऐसा नहीं है कि कभी कभी आपको मालूम है कोई प्रॉब्लम आ जाता है तो अर्थक्वेक आ जाता है. देयर आर सर्टेन ट्रेजेडीज इन लाइफ. एक साथ में सब क्या हो जाता है? खत्म हो जाता है. टुडे जस्ट नाउ दैट एयरप्लेन क्रैश एंड everything finished in few minutes. 240 people died in a minute. Huh? So death can come anytime and finish it off. Tragedy can come anytime. And this tragedy can happen in Devtalok also. Only if you are, little big devotion in your life, then it has the power कि आपका वो tragedy थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा. Natural calamities comes in the form of asura. Tritap is there, ego is there. What is there? Ego is there. Ego problem is there still. Everybody has their ego. Position, power is still there. Only in Vaikuntha, everybody is das, 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 dasanu, das. In Vaikuntha, when the koil is singing and the birds are singing very nicely, and if the bee aata na, then everyone becomes silent. She is singing so nicely about the gunas of the Lord. Let her sing. Means they do not have envy. What they say? They do not have envy. They will go back and they will push forward that, and that is the quality in Vaikuntha, where they praise others and they do not want to get amanina manati. But as far as material world, not a single place is safe. Not a dukhalay asaj. Anityam asukham loka prapya bhajasvama. So from all these things we see कभी कभी ये कभी लोग को ट्रांजिट कैंप में भागना पड़ता है, कभी कुछ हो जाता है तो लाइक ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर का कुछ ओवरफ्लो हो गया, एवरीबडी वाज पुल्ड आउट, घर में से बाहर निकाल दिए, दे वर थ्रोन आउट, राइट ना, safe places, and they had to go, they can't go back. वी हैव सीन कैसा वो नदी फटता है तो पूरा घर सब लेके डूब जाता है. सो आदि दैविक, आदि भौतिक, आध्यात्मिक प्रॉब्लम्स आर ऑलवेज देयर. वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट दैट थिंग. बट if you are doing bhakti and if you are surrendered, then there are chances that you can be saved. But if not, then any time, जैसे आज हुआ 240 people एक साथ में क्या हो गया, just got up and land and everybody finished.
I have a question over here, Prabhuji. Like you said, कि कहीं भी जाओ,
Yeah.
miseries and all these things are there.
Yes.
Now, before coming, I would say कि उन लोगों की क्या गलती से मारे गए. Now, as we read the Shastras, we understand कि उनके कोई कर्म हो गए.
Yeah, collective karma. This we called as collective karma. ये क्या होता है मालूम है? हम लोग इंसेक्ट को कलेक्टिवली मारते हैं ना. कभी मारते हैं क्या नहीं मारते? पेस्ट कंट्रोल में मारते हैं कि नहीं मारते? रैकेट. सो नथिंग गोज वेस्ट माता जी. जो किया है वो कहीं ना कहीं हमको पे करना पड़ेगा. लेकिन ये है, इफ यू आर एंगेज्ड इन भक्ति, यत् करोषि यद् अश्नासि यत् जुहोषि ददासि यत् तपस्यसि कौन्तेय तत् कुरुष्व मदर्पणम शुभाशुभ फलैरेवं मोक्षयसे कर्म. That is the only way out of, otherwise it's a big mess. क्या क्या प्लान नहीं बनाए होंगे इन लोग जो गए होंगे. हाँ, करोड़ों रुपए लेके प्लान बनाया हो गया, ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, लंदन में ये घूमेंगे, ऐसा करेंगे वैसा करेंगे, उड़ा के खत्म. सीधा कौन से लोक में गए मालूम नहीं. लंदन में तो नहीं गए, लेकिन दूसरे लोक में चले गए.
नहीं प्रभु, like अभी ठीक है, ज्ञान है इसलिए हम लोग इसकी पर्सपेक्टिव से देखते हैं.
Yes.
But people will call बड़े insensitive लोग ये लोग.
हाँ.
जिनको ज्ञान नहीं हो तो बोलेंगे.
Yeah.
Then will be called insensitive.
No, insensitive. See, in the Bhagavatam class we are discussing about the reality. Actually, those who are Rajoguni, those who are Tamoguni, they have their vision of looking everything. If they are getting enjoyment, it is nice. Rajoguni ko. The day the enjoyment is stopped, everything is bad. So, ये जैसे देवता लोग, here it is mentioned that they were vanquished and they अपने घर से निकाले गए. कौन? और भाग रहे भटक भटक के. तो मेरा कहने का ये है कि अगर देवता लोग का ये हाल हो गया तो आपका और कभी हमारे लाइफ में अभी कुछ ऐसा हो गया तो चिंता मत करो. नहीं, चिंता मत करो. ये मतलब ये समझने का, अगर कोई चीज गाड़ी ठीक चल रही है तो समझना कि मतलब अभी तक प्रॉब्लम नहीं आया, मतलब भगवान की कृपा है. प्रॉब्लम आया तो नॉर्मल है. लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम आना इज नॉर्मल, बट अगर ठीक चल रहा है तो बी वेरी कॉशियस. कब तक चलेगा कोई गारंटी नहीं है. एनी टाइम कुछ तो एनी टाइम एनीथिंग कुड हैपन. That is what I am trying to say, that even the devatas, they are thrown from their own houses और भटक रहे. इंद्र भटक रहा है, अग्नि भटक रहे, वायु भटक रही है, छुप रहे सब, but they are not in their position. And from Chirakalina, the word why I am speaking about this, Chirakal means what? बहुत लंबा टाइम से उन लोग बाहर हैं अपने घर से. So what I am trying to present, entire world, any place you go, there is dukkha. The variety may be different. Devatas are also not immune. उनको भी दुख पड़ता है. हाँ? So we have to learn something from this. That way is there. बट दोज हु टेक द शेल्टर ऑफ द लॉर्ड, क्या है? भगवान के शरण में रह के अगर आप करोगे तो उसको क्या हो जाएगा? निकल जाओ. अदरवाइज यू विल गो डीप डीप इनटू दैट प्रॉब्लम. एवरीबडी, कोई भी ऐसा आदमी नहीं जो प्रॉब्लम में नहीं है प्रभु. एवरीबडी इज इन सम और अदर प्रॉब्लम. सम बॉडीली प्रॉब्लम इज देयर, सम मेंटल प्रॉब्लम इज देयर, सम financial problem is there, household problem is there. कोई ऐसा है, कोई घर है क्या? नहीं. But who can say who is sincere in his bhakti? Because who is sincere na, Lord comes and help him. उसको कुछ ना कुछ रास्ता भगवान निकाल देगा. And you will experience it. Sincerity हमारे पर है ना, कि नहीं? कि we have to take some sincerity from anybody. The more you are sincere, the more help will come. Help will come. Okay, let's go further.
Translation.
Yeah.
The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, O Mother of the Demigod, I have already understood your long cherished desires for the welfare of your sons, who have been deprived of all opulences and driven from their residence by their enemies. Purport. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, being situated in everyone's heart and especially in the heart of his devotees, is always ready to help devotees in adversity. Since he knows everything, he knows how things are to be adjusted, and he does the needful to relieve the suffering of his devotees. Hare Krishna.
Text 13. Mataji can read some. Mataji. Yasmare Durmadananda Surasvanan Rati Labdha Jaya Shribhi Putre Ichya Supasitum.
Tandem Vinijitya defeating Samare in the fight,
Durmadan.
pulled up by the strength,
Puffed by the strength.
puffed up by the strength, sorry. Asura Rishabha, the leaders of the demons, Pratilapta, getting back, Jaya victory, Shribihi, as well as the opulence, Putre, with your sons, Ichhasi, you are desiring, Upasitum, to come together and worship me. Translation. O Devi, O Goddess, I can understand that you want to regain your sons and be together with them to worship me. After defeating the enemies in the battle and reviving your abode and opulences.
Text 14. Indradyashte Swatanaye Antatam Yudhi Vishwasham Striyorudante Asadya Yashtum Ichhati Duktishaha.
Indra Jyeshtita, persons of whom King Indra is the eldest, Swatanai, by your own sons, Hatanam, who are killed, Yuddhi, in the fight, Vidvisham, of the enemies, Striya, the wives, Rudanti, lamenting, Asadya, coming near the dead bodies of their husbands, Drashtum Ichhasi, you want to see, Dukkhita, very much aggrieved. You want to see the wives of the demons lamenting for the death of their husbands when those demons, the enemies of your sons, are killed in the battle by the demigods, of whom Indra is the chief.
Lord is speaking the mind of Aditi. What she is speaking? Lord is speaking?
The mind of
What is in the heart and the mind of Aditi. Now, text 15. Mataji, please read text 15 also.
Atmajam susamridham stam,
Atmajan Susamridhan Stam
Pratyahrita yashaha sriyaha,
Pratyahata Yashashya
Naka pristam adhisthaya,
Nakaprishtam Adhishthaya
Kridato drastum ichhasi,
Kridato Drashtum Ichhasi.
Atmajan, your own sons, Susamridhan, completely opulent, Tvam, you, Pratyahrita, having received back, Yashaha, reputation, Sriyaha, opulence, Nakaprishtam, in the heavenly kingdom, Adhisthaya, situated, Kridataha, enjoying their life, Drashtum, to see, Ichhasi, you are
So in these three verses, Lord is speaking the heart and the desire of Aditi. But now in the 16th verse, Lord will give his opinion. What is his opinion? So who will sing the 16th? From here, somebody. Prayo adhuna te surya yuthanatha aparanyati devi me mati yatne anukureshwara vipragupta na vikram tatra sukham dadati. Me mate, the word that is used in me mate, mera mat se. Who is saying? According to my mata, what is going to happen? Huh? You may have this desire, but according to me, what is going to happen? Please read each and every word.
At the present moment, they, all they, Asura Yuthanathan, the chiefs of the Devas, Aparaniha, unconquerable.
They are unconquerable. टाइम की बात रहती है. क्या रहती है? ये टाइम is favoring. So sometime we have to see in our life कौन सा दिशा चल रहा है, कौन सा काल चल रहा है, कौन सा क्योंकि टाइम अगर बराबर नहीं है और उल्टे काम में घुस गए ना तो ज्यादा
चुप बैठना है.
हाँ सही में प्रभु. बट बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि वो टाइम ऐसा आपको फोर्स करवा देता है, यू नो, in getting into wrong things and you later realize ऐसा क्यों हुआ मेरे लाइफ में. हाँ, we suffer a lot because of our mistakes, you know, out of kama, krodha and lobh. Actually these are the three things which instigate us for doing three things in a life. So Lord is speaking the statement, what? This time. Kiss time? This time. These people are unconquerable with all the asuras. तो भगवान ये भी बताना चाहते हैं कि वो सम है. क्या है? He is सम. How सम? Because उन्होंने यज्ञ किया, उन्होंने तपस्या किया. किने? असुरा ने. और उन्होंने ब्राह्मणों को नहीं प्लीज किया. Please the Brahman by selflessly serving them, and because of that the blessings they have got. So I cannot undo the blessings of Brahmanas. So here we find the samabhava. What? कि अगर कोई असुर भी अगर भगवान बताते भगवत गीता में अपिचेसु दुराचारो भजन्ते माम अनन्य भाग साधुरेव समन्तव्य सम्यक. Even if somebody is asura, सुदुराचार, क्या बोला? दुराचार नहीं, सुदुराचार, पक्का अच्छा दुराचार. Sudurachar, the word that is used, what? You know the shloka? What is that shloka? Apiche suduracharo bhajante mam ananya bhas. तो भी वो साधु काउंट करना चाहिए. Because सम्यक व्यवस्थित, उसने अभी संकल्प अच्छा कर लिया कि वो पहले की गलतियां अभी, and we see that thing happened in Ajamil life. After that incident with no, that's why we say साधु संग लव मात्र साधु संग. थोड़ा अगर साधु संग हुआ, किसका? अजामिल का. With whom? विष्णु. Immediately संकल्प ले लिया, सब छोड़ो. क्या? And they went to Haridwar at a right place. वो घर छोड़ दिया जो प्रॉब्लम का जड़ था. Immediately, you know, some places are very dark, very bad. That places don't help you to uplift your, you know, consciousness. वो हमेशा उस जगह पे जाओगे ना तो वैसी ही नेगेटिविटी बनी रहती. इसीलिए we come in the temple. आप घर में भी ये सुन सकते हो क्लास, लेकिन घर में सुनना और टेम्पल में आके यहाँ सुनना बहुत फर्क पड़ जाता है. पड़ता है कि नहीं प्रभु? हाँ? ये इधर जूम पे सुनते सुनते जूम हो जाता है. होता है कि नहीं होता है? So it's better when we change the place and come over here, you know, the place matters. And the vibes matters. So there are some negative places कि आप कितना भी चाहो ना, आप उसमें से बाहर, इसलिए जगह छोड़ना चाहिए हो. क्या छोड़ना चाहिए? Immediately Ajamil left that place. किधर गया? And went to Haridwar. And that 20 years non-stop. कितना? 20 years. Non-stop. And that shloka, apiche suduracharo, bhajante mam ananya bhak, sadureva samantabhya. Perfectly this shloka fits to Ajamil. Perfectly this shloka. So even those who are sudurachara, but if they take to the seva, service, bhava, they get the benefit.
They are to be considered saintly.
They get the benefit. Option is there. This druggist, प्रभुपाद के साथ कौन थे? You read the लीला अमृता. ये जो वो स्ट्रीट है ना न्यूयॉर्क में, आज भी आप न्यूयॉर्क में जाओगे ना, अभी तो ऑफिशियल कर दिया है वीड्स को. क्या कर दिया? हाँ, when you go, हमारे यहाँ एक जलानी प्रभु थे, जलानी, विशाल जलानी, उनकी डॉटर को भेजा था न्यूयॉर्क में. अभी वो उठा के लेके आके फिर रख दिया घर पे. बोला मेरे को नहीं रहने. बोलते उधर जब भी जाता हूं तो स्ट्रीट में इतनी बास आती है वीड्स की. लाइक दिस स्मोकिंग इज नॉर्मल ओवर हियर, देयर वीड्स आर नॉर्मल.
It is official, even in Canada.
सो व्हेन इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग स्मेल रहता है कि आदमी को वहां, मतलब हमारे जैसे नॉर्मल आदमी को है ना, ऐसा लगेगा कि बेहोश जैसा हो जाए. मतलब we cannot tolerate that strong pungent.
We become passive smokers, no, when they are
हाँ.
active.
So what I'm trying to say कि Prabhupada, when he was there, he was in the hub of these things. What? It was hub. मतलब एक आदमी लेटा हुआ, एक आदमी ऐसा है, उसके ऊपर से प्रभुपाद ऐसा 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 ऐसे जाते थे सीढ़ी के ऊपर. Yes, literally इधर कोई लेटा हो, इधर स्मोकर हुआ, ऐसा ऐसे प्रभुपाद ऊपर ऊपर से जाते थे. एंड इवनिंग को उनको बोलते थे अपना अपना जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट है वो सब लेके आओ, बिकॉज ऑल सब म्यूजिशियन थे उन लोग. कौन थे सब लोग? बोलते आप अपना अपना सब म्यूजिशियन थे उन लोग. मतलब आते थे हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा. बट द एसोसिएशन ऑफ प्योर डिवोटीज, क्या? एसोसिएशन ऑफ प्योर डिवोटीज एंड द प्रेयर्स ऑफ शीला प्रभु फॉर देम मेड द मिरेकल. क्या किया? And then they became sadhu by bhajan of Ananya Bhav. They took Hare Krishna Mahamantra. What they do? Ananya Bhav. And they became आज सन्यासीस. आज बड़े बड़े सन्यासी बन गए उन लोग, और इस्कॉन को लीड करके आज कहां से कहां लेके गए. हाँ? So this is apiche su duracharo bhajante mam ananya bhak sadhu revas. So here we see that Lord is not saying that they are asuras, and that's why they will not get the benefit. Yes, even though they are asuras, but at this time they are ajay. Why? Because the Lord will say, because they have served the brahmanas, sadhu ko seva karke unka आशीर्वाद दिया. That is the what? The mata. The word that is used is me mata. My opinion.
This is my opinion.
My opinion. Please read the entire thing.
Iti thus, Devi, O Mother Aditi, me, Mati opinion, yet because they, all the demands, Anukula Ishvara Vipragupta, protected by the Brahmanas,
Anukula Ishvara Vipragupta means what? Who are Anukul? The Brahmanas are Anukul. Who? And they are praying. किसके लिए? बलि महाराज के लिए. शुक्र. हाँ.
by Brahmana, by whose favor the supreme controller is always present.
Ishvara Vipragupta. The word that is used, Anukul, Ishvara, Vipra means what? Brahmana. And Ishvara means Lord, and Gupta means they are protected.
They are protected by the Lord, the Brahmanas.
Brahmanas. And they are Anukul. Who? The Vipras are Anukul towards them, and their blessings are there. Huh? And they are protecting. What? by their prayers. तो कभी कभी है ना लाइफ में इतना ध्यान रखना, अपने मेहनत से काम नहीं होता है, आपके पीछे कोई एक आदमी प्रेयर करने वाला भी रखो. हाँ? अगर प्रेयर करने वाला कोई नहीं है, somebody should be there who is connected with the Lord, who is praying for you. He is praying for you, and that's why that prayer can only happen by seva. Naturally तुम्हारे सेवा से आपके लिए क्या हृदय से क्या निकलता है? आशीर्वाद निकलता है. हाँ? So here भले वो आसुर थे, कौन थे? But Lord is saying अनुकूल ईश्वर विप्र गुप्त. गुप्त means by protected by them. उनका खुद का पावर नहीं है, किसका? असुरों का. But it is the power of the Brahmanas that is protecting them, and they have become inconquerable. That is my opinion. So here we find how Lord is sama. क्या है? ऐसा नहीं कि असुर है कि मतलब उन लोग को सेवा नहीं, उन लोग ने did not get the chance. Yes, एक बार मालूम है रावण के लिए बोला था, when Vibhishan came na to surrender, lot of people, Sugriv and all that thing were saying, don't, इन पर कभी विश्वास नहीं करना, नहीं करना. Then then Hanuman was asked about Vibhishan, and he told, when I had gone, this was the only person who was chanting Ram Naam. Huh? And you know what? He was praising. Hanumanji was praising Vibhishan. Vibhishan was praising Hanumanji. So he says, they were both praising. तो बोलते हैं कि you are more fortunate. He is saying you are more fortunate. You are more fortunate. बोलता है how I am more fortunate. बोलते हैं कौन? विभीषण बोलते हैं मालूम? How I am more fortunate, even in this situation, because I have taken नाम. तो आज मुझे भगवान के भक्तों का दर्शन हो गया. क्या हो गया? That is more fortunate. To come in association. What is the biggest दुर्भाग्य of a जीवात्मा? बिगेस्ट दुर्भाग्य ऑफ द जीवात्मा क्या है कि जब वो भक्तों से दूर हो जाता है तो उसका सबसे बड़ा दुर्भाग्य है, और जब भक्तों के आता है तो उसका सबसे बड़ा सद्भाग्य है. सो Vibhishan, Lord was asking, and on the saying of Hanumanji, Vibhishan was given shelter. Vibhishan was given shelter. At that time, Sugriv asked, today ये आ गया कौन? विभीषण. कल रावण आएगा तो फिर क्या करोगे? तो I will give him also shelter. What? तो क्या दोगे? आपने उसको पहले से ही लंकेश बना दिया. You have already given him जय लंकेश. तो लंका तो आपने इसको दे दी. So what about Ravana if he comes tomorrow? तो I will give my Ayodhya. What I will give? I will give my Ayodhya. There is one bigger problem. You have already given it to Bharat. You have already given it to? I will give him my Vaikuntha. क्या बोला? भरत को. आप फिर किधर जाओगे? I will stay in the heart of Hanuman. In the devotee's heart I will stay eternally. That is my place. So that is what Lord, is surrender. मतलब कोई भी उनके शरण में आएगा, he is ready to accept. He is ready to accept. And that's why Lord says, they are serving the Brahmanas. Who? Bali Maharaj. And the Asuras. And that's why they are unconquered. So what is the lesson we learn from this statement? If you want to become inconquerable, serve the Vaishnavas. और अपने जीवन में अगर बर्बादी लाना है तुमको और बर्बाद हो जाना है तो वैष्णव अपराध करते रहो. क्या करते रहो? नहीं, वैष्णव अपराध करते रहो. क्या करते रहो? और अपना भी बर्बाद करो और अपने आगे के जनरेशन भी बर्बाद कर दो. इट इज वेरी डेंजरस, वेरी डेंजरस. Somehow or other, we should always try to serve them, not to find fault in anybody. Fault होगा तो होगा, हमारा मेरा कंसर्न नहीं हो, कृष्ण का कंसर्न है. क्या है? It is Krishna's lookout. My job is very limited. मैं अपना पूंजी भरने आ रहा हूं यहाँ पे. I am coming for my purpose to get something, blessings. Why should I get involved in something which is not my domain? Huh? So, very biggest principle we learn. When you do Vaishnava Seva, your life is unlimited successful. But when you do Vaishnava Aparad, तो दुर्वासा मुनि से क्यों नहीं होगा? He will also have to run throughout the Brahmanda of doing Vaishnava Aparad of Amrish Maharaj. Okay? So please we'll stop, we'll complete this thing and we'll stop this. क्या है? Please read the translation, complete translation.
O mother of the demigods,
हाँ.
in my opinion, almost all the chiefs of the demons are not unconquerable,
हाँ.
for they are being protected by Brahmanas,
हाँ.
who the Supreme Lord always favors. Thus the use of power against them now will not at all be
A source of happiness. Read the purport.
when a person is favored by the Brahmanas and Vaishnavas,
No one can defeat him in his life.
even the Supreme Personality of Godhead does not interfere when one is protected by Brahmana. It is said, Go Brahmana Hitaye. The Lord's first inclination is to give the benediction to the cows and Brahmanas. Therefore, if Brahmanas favor someone, the Lord does not interfere, nor can anyone interfere.
In the happiness of such a person. Biggest statement. And this is the biggest lesson of today's class. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. So in 2-3 minutes, let us summarize some important points of today's class. What are the important points of today's class?
The most important is Vaishnava Kripa.
Vaishnava Kripa is needed at every moment of our life, and that is not free. Free में नहीं मिलेगा वो कृपा. सेवा करना पड़ेगा. What you will have to do? Seva. And that also causeless seva. It should not be with the expectation. Huh? Without expectation when you are serving, then that becomes, Huh? What else is the biggest? Somebody should be there in your life. For? नहीं तो आपकी गाड़ी आधी में रुक जाएंगे, किधर ना किधर. किधर? नहीं, हम नहीं है. हमारे में उतना पावर नहीं है. आपको और 2-4 इंजन और लगाने पड़ेंगे. मतलब कोई भी वैष्णव मिले उनको प्रे करने का, भाई हमारे लिए प्रे करो, हमारे लिए प्रे करो. रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी क्या करते थे मालूम है? जब भी उठते थे ना, दंडवत कर लेते थे. क्या करते थे? प्रभु क्षमा, आशीर्वाद. क्या? इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट प्रभु जी, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. खास करके मैनेजमेंट में अगर आप रहते हो ना, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. Management में you have to take some decisions, some this thing. It's very difficult. And our Guru Maharaj, Gopal Krishna Maharaj, salute to our Guru Maharaj. How nicely he managed 50 years of ISKCON. He flourished the ISKCON. He tolerated everybody. Huh? And he never did any Vaishnava Aparad. Prabhupada said that. When, I know Gopal, Gopal is very, very cautious about Vaishnava Aparad. What? When the foreigners were there in India and they were controlling the main thing in India from there, at that time Gopal Krishna Maharaj was only Indian in the management level. और एक एलियन होगा ना तो उसका हालत खराब कर देते मेजॉरिटी पीपल मैनेजमेंट में. And Prabhupada tolerated a lot. Gopal Krishna Maharaj.
Not only that, Prabhu, he got his authority stamped.
हाँ.
Then all these foreigners accepted his authority.
इधर केस हुआ तो प्रभु गोपाल कृष्ण महाराज ने अपने पे लिया वो ब्लेम, मतलब उनको बचाने के लिए. तब जाके उन लोगों ने एक्सेप्ट किया. मतलब यू हैव टू सी अंडरस्टैंड दैट टाइप ऑफ सैक्रिफाइस यू गेट ब्लेसिंग्स. क्या मिलता है? ब्लेसिंग्स. And that is the you can say sign of victory in your life. Sign of victory. He is undefeated. He will be always undefeated. हमारे ग्रुप में भी ऐसे कुछ भक्त हैं जो कॉस्टलेस सेवा करते हैं और हमारा हार्ट जाता है, क्या जाता है, हृदय से उनको क्या जाता है, आशीर्वाद जाता है. और दैट इज व्हाट इज देयर बिगेस्ट बेनिफिट. हृदय से आशीर्वाद जाता है. भगवान भले हम लोग छोटे मोटे हैं, लेकिन जैसे कि अभी वो हमारे हरीश आहूजा और उधर बैठे रहते दिन रात, वो तो क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग, वो वैकुंठ में ही है. मतलब उनको कब वैकुंठ का टिकट मतलब मिल जाएगा कुछ मालूम नहीं, लेकिन दे आर ऑन द वैकुंठ प्लेन. वो बुक है, 100% बुक है. हाँ कि नहीं है? डेडिकेशन देखो यार, डे नाइट सिटिंग ओवर देयर ओनली. एक पोजीशन, वो स्थान संन्यास ले लिया उधर, वो हस्बैंड वाइफ ने. एक दिन भी एक्सपेंड नहीं, क्षेत्र संन्यास हो गया. उनको बोलो कि भाई ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा नहीं, हमारे लिए यही ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा, ये सेवा ही हमारा जीवन है. क्या है? हाँ, हिंता भी नहीं है. सो दैट यू नो वी सैल्यूट दैट पीपल. क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग कि नहीं प्रभु, सेवा पकड़ लिया मतलब वो उन्होंने अपना जीवन. और मेरे ख्याल से कोई डाउट नहीं है कि इन लोग वैकुंठ नहीं जाएगा. हाँ प्रभु, 100% जाएगा, क्योंकि उनका सेवा है वो. व्हाट? और उन लोग कभी किसके लिए प्रे कर देवे ना सामने से, तो उसका भी भला हो जाए. नहीं, what I am trying to say, such people are there from whom if you take blessings ना, आपका बेड़ा पार हो जाता है, जो सेवा में लगे हुए हैं. Those who are sincerely doing seva, for that blessings we have to take. And that is the lesson we learn. आज का जो पक्का लेसन है, भगवान भी उसमें इंटरफियर नहीं करना सकता है. इसे मेरा पावर में नहीं है. आई एम बियॉन्ड, बिकॉज इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा सेवा किया. किसका? ब्राह्मणस का, वैष्णव का. या पूरी प्रभु भी, वो भी बेचारे, उन्होंने अपना फ्लैट, अपना सब लिख के बिल बना के इस्कॉन में डिपॉजिट कर दिया. मतलब हमारा जो कुछ भी है सब इस्कॉन का. सब मंदिर बना के उधर 200 लोगों को काम धंधे पे लगा दिया. कुछ ना कुछ सेवा में दे आर केप्ट एंगेज्ड. मतलब छोड़ते नहीं है उनको, पीछे पड़े रहते कि ये करो भगवान का, ये करो. एक उधर शायद इतना फेस्टिवल तो मंदिर में नहीं होता, उधर उनके उधर होता है. हर महीने कुछ फेस्टिवल चालू करते. अभिस्थान यात्रा के बाद अभी रथ यात्रा 29 को रथ यात्रा इज देयर. हमारे घर की डिटीज जा रही है. तो वी हैव टू तन मन धन से जो भी है, वी शुड ट्राई टू सपोर्ट दैट पीपल. राइट कि नहीं? हाँ भाई, उससे लगता नहीं कि बाईपास सर्जरी. सो देयर आर सर्टेन पीपल हमारे सामने ऐसे इस्कॉन में बहुत पड़े. प्रभु जी, बहुत अच्छे लोग पड़े इस्कॉन के अंदर. इफ यू सी कि जिनका हमको वंदना और ब्लेसिंग्स लेना चाहिए. वी शुड टेक ब्लेसिंग्स, एंड विद दैट हम्बल मूड इफ वी सर्व, अपना जीवन क्या हो जाएगा? सफल. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम